Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2023 Jeep Avenger? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Stop warning lamp. Maximum coolant temperature. Low engine oil pressure. System malfunction. Cable connected. Conventional battery charge fault. High voltage battery temperature overheating. Electric traction system malfunction. Low braking fluid level. Electronic brake force distribution fault. Electric parking brake. Doors open. Seat belts unfastened. High voltage battery failure. Service. Braking fault. Electric parking brake malfunction. Anti-lock braking system. Electric parking brake fault. Automatic parking brake deactivated. Engine self-diagnostic system. Traction control off. Traction control. Emergency brake malfunction. Underinflation. Tire underinflation detection system fault. Close obstacle detection. Close obstacle detection off. Close obstacle detection fault. Airbags fault. Low fuel level. Turtle mode with limited driving range. Pedestrian horn fault. Automatic braking system. Automatic braking system fault. Automatic braking system temporarily deactivated. Lane keeping assist. Lane keeping assist fault. Stop start. Rear fog lamps on. Adaptive headlights fault. Driver attention alert warning. Traffic sign recognition. Stop start. Vehicle ready to drive. Daytime running lamps. Direction indicators. Adaptive headlights on. Dipped beam headlamps. Front fog lamps on. Hill descent control. Adaptive headlights activated. Main beam headlamps on. Fuel level. High voltage battery level. Gauges and meters. Tachometer. Engine oil temperature gauge. Fuel gauge. Speedometer. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.